Welcome all. Today we will enter to the world of planets. If you think the planets are boring and won't interest you, you will change your mind after watching this video. So let's go. Dracula Simia. Dracula Simia is also called the monkey orchid or the monkey-like Dracula. It is an epiphytic orchid. It is spread in the forests of Ecuador and Peru and grows in the mountains height at an altitude of 1000 to 2000 meters. And therefore, many people throughout history haven't been able to discover and identify it. The monkey orchid blooms abundantly high in the mountains in any season of the year. It smells like oranges. Titan arum. It is a flowering plant in the family Arecia. It produces a very large and beautiful flower. It, it is the largest flower in the world, as it reaches a length of more than 3 meters, and despite this, its smell is very unpleasant. Many liken it to the smell of rotten meat. Therefore, it was called the Titan arum. This flower grows in the forests of Sumatra, and it doesn't resort to what other flowers do that emit a sweet seeking to attract butterflies and bees to pollinate it. Botanists state that the secret of this flower's height is that it, like a shaman, emits this stench to reach the farthest distance possible and attracts the largest number of flies so that the pollination process can be completed very efficiently. Orchis italica. The original Italian orchids in the Mediterranean are known as the naked man's orchid, and this wonderful flower resembles a naked man with a smiling face. The plant grows at an altitude of 1300 meters and reaches a height of 20 inches. The naked man's orchid blooms the strangest flowers in the world from March to April. The attractive flowers appear in large clusters and display shades of pale pink to purple. Rafflesia arnoldi. The corpus flower is a species of flowering plant in the parasitic genus Rafflesia. The original habitat of this species is the island of Sumatra in Indonesia. This plant is distinguished by the fact that it produces the largest flower in the world, as the diameter of the flower reaches 1 meter and its weight may reach 11 kilograms. It is a flower that produces a strong smell like the smell of decomposing flesh, so it is sometimes called the corpus flower. This plant is endemic to the rainforests of Sumatra and Borneo. This plant has no branches or leaves and there is no chlorophyll in it, and it can only be seen when it's ready to reproduce. The smell of the flower attracts flies who then pollinate this rare plant. The flower is unisexual, so the male must be close to the female as the pollination may be rare. Insects must visit both the male and the female flowers for pollination to take place. Dragon's blood tree. It is a bright red resin obtained from several species of different plant genera such as Croton and Dracaena. This red resin has been used since ancient times for various uses such as varnish, medicine, incense, and dyeing. The resin is extracted from the peel of the plant and the scales of the fruits. The resin is collected after its solidification in the summer months by scraping the resin lumps with a sharp tool from the cavities that was found in it after being cut from the trunk of the tree. This substance is red in color and it has no distinctive smell or taste. Its appearance on Earth dates back more than 50 million years and is likely to appear in the Mediterranean basin. Today, they are spread on the Yemen island of Socotra, which has become a natural reserve because it contains many rare creatures. This tree is suitable for rocky ground and high places, and it can withstand drought greatly due to its ability to retain water for many years. Victoria Amazonica. The Victoria planet is one of the strangest planets in the world and the most beautiful creation. It is found in the shallow waters of the Amazon River. It clings to rocks and stones, and its roots may reach a length of 8 meters, and its diameter may reach more than 3 meters. It is known for its bright green leaves and bright red bases. Mycenia chlorophyll. It is a species of agaric fungi in the family Myceniaceae. First discovered in 1860, the fungi is found in subtropical Asia. The mushrooms are bioluminescent and emit a pale green light. This fungi is characterized by the fact that it blooms in the dark and emits green color and glows at night during the rainy seasons in tropical forests. It also reproduces by scattering luminous spores. The bee orchid. It is a rare type of flower that is distinguished by a distinctive shape and color which is similar to the loving bee. It is similar to the female bees in shape, color, and smell, as each flower looks as if there is a female bee or drone that rests over it. And even it releases a chemical compound similar to the smell of female bees that induces attracting males to come to pollinate them and thus carry the pollen to another orchid flower that contributes to the production of new seeds. This flower lives between the regions of Mediterranean as it spreads in all of the northern parts of Africa, Europe, and the Middle East. Welwitschia. It is a vegetable genus that follows Welwitschia species. It is one of the very exotic plants found in the desert of southwest Africa, Namibia, and Angola. This planet is very slow and lives between 400 and 1500 years. The planet consists of 2 leaves and a root, and the 2 leaves are greatly enlarged until they reach 2 meters and 8 meters in width. This planet is called after the Austrian botanist Friedrich Wilwich, which was discovered in 1859. The planet is considered a living or fossil because of its rarity and its non-participation in any planet biological classification with another organism. Cynagenella. Cynagenella is the sole genus in the family Cynagenelaceae. Imagine that when this planet feels dehydrated, it shrinks itself and looks as if it's dead. And when it feels the moisture or the presence of water, it will come back to life again. And when scientists examined the secret of this strange behavior, they found that the reason is an unfamiliar type of sugar that saves the cells from death. So, the scientists used it to encapsulate the cells exposed to damage such as bacteria and viruses, while transporting them from one country to another. The origin of this amazing planet dates back to the Mexican Chihuahuan Desert. And finally, tell me what is the most planet that is so strange for you. I will wait your opinion in the comments. So, bye bye and see you in another video.